That's it. Keep that breathing going. Bit of energy moving. I don't know if you feel. I don't know if you feel it, but you know.
No,
yeah.
I
So breathe into your belly.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
That finger was holding some shit.
Fuck.
Mm-hmm.
Which finger was it? Which one? Which one?
Your ring finger.
Ring finger.
The relationship finger. Don't know if you had any issues there.
Yeah. Unresolved.
Yeah. So many people, that's like their worst finger.
I wouldn't have picked it. I would have thought it was the others. Amazing.
Yeah. I mean, the others added to it, I think.
Yeah.
But that one was...
This was the holder.
Yeah. And that may be, you know, I don't know, psychologically I'm thinking, you know, that's your male side, right? That's your right hand, so that's, you know, maybe something was holding you back too. You know, when you're talking about lack of confidence, because you had the ability, but not the confidence.
Confidence, yeah.
So there, maybe it's like your male side has been stifled, you know? I don't know. It's theoretical, but you know.
Theory, yeah, it's definitely viable.
Yeah.
Possibility. Is this place soundproof?
Oh, Luke, I scream all the time. The neighbors, he's at work, and you know, basically it's a long way in the fucking burbs. Oh, my family are used to it. I'm more used to me doing it, but you know, they're getting used to. Now they've been in class. Yeah, Ellie's like a fucking regular now. Speak of the devil. Hi, Ellie. She's like, oh, somebody's having an emotional release. Hey, sweetie. What's that?
Come and say hi.
Hi.
How's it going?
Good. He's having a nice, relaxing massage.
Hello.
Yeah. Bye. You must have psychically tuned into it. Yeah. No, just let it out. Yeah, just don't feel like, you know, if you got some screams, you got some cries, whatever, just let it out. They've certainly seen me scream at the top of my voice. Let's have a feel of your chest here a bit too. It's obviously all coming up into here.
So is it a rest when you come back here to Australia? Is it a rest, or just you come back just to attend to the property, or?
Yeah, well, it's hardly been a rest because I fucking like, I tell you, it was really overgrown because we were like busy with expanding over, and you know, and I didn't. Last time I came back, I taught a course. And we were only had 2 other weeks where, you know, in one of them I was jet lagged, so. The property was just really, you know, needed. Basically, both me and Corey have been really going hard on gardening, basically, you know. So, lawn mowing, weed whacking, mulching, you know, watering, wheelbarrowing loads of mushroom compost, and you know. So we're sort of getting almost on top of it now, which is good because then that'll, you know, keep it going until we come back in a couple months and. A lot of fruits are coming on. It seems like it's going to be a great season for fruit, you know. But yeah, it's just a different thing because I'm mostly dealing with, you know, plants, which is kind of a nice balance, you know.
Have you got a bit of land where you're born?
No, we're in a suburb, you know.
Yeah.
And the only bad thing is I can't work from there because they got, you know, not legally. It's called an HOA, which is some sort of like housing, you know, like you're in a, you know, basically they got rules about what you can do, you know. So I'm thinking about buying another like kind of cheaper property, but with an acre or so people can scream and not worry about, you know.
That's why you're going to set a clinic up, did you say?
Yeah, find the right space, basically. And then it's, you know, it's really central to a massive population, you know, and that's where most of my YouTube fans are. Like 45% are in the US and 5% in Canada.
Because you can monetize it now, can't you?
You
get income from YouTube. Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, but what I'm really looking at doing is doing, a friend of mine's a documentary maker, and we were talking about doing something where we document, because I always say it takes 10 to 40 hours to really loosen a person up completely, and rather than just doing the one treatment wonders. And I'm kind of at that stage where I'm like, I'd love to document taking people on a 40-hour journey and just getting I want to get 10 people with all sorts of, you know, the weird and the wonderful of different conditions and just personalities, and you know,
And see what the result is after
40 hours, you know, of me working on them, as long as they're green lights, you know.
Yep.
And then just have that all documented, you know, as kind of proof, basically, that this works for such a wide variety of both physical and emotional conditions, you know. So I want to get like a soldier, you know, suffering from PTSD, you know. Other people with anxiety or depression, or, you know, And it's not, of course, it's not the only thing, you know. I mean, you know, like it doesn't take the place of good nutrition, you know, or spirit, you know, having some sort of spiritual purpose in your life.
That's right, yeah.
You know, but it's so beneficial for so many people, you know, like.
Yeah, but if they feel better and then they make better choices.
That's right.
Yeah,
that's right.
Yeah, yeah.
So many people do, like not just drugs, but they'll give up smoking. You know, like I've had a lot of people actually have this kind of like guttural cough when they get a massage, and they cough up this nicotine and phlegm that tastes like shit. You know, I've never had it because I didn't smoke nicotine, but. And then they like, I don't want to smoke anymore because they realize this is like really, you know, whereas you could tell somebody, oh, let's, you know, maybe you should give up smoking, you know, but you can talk all you want, you know.
It's got to come from within them, yeah.
Yeah, there's a wallaby watching us. He's like, what's going on over there, guys?
Noises, eh?
Yeah.
Everyone okay?
Yeah. But yeah, I like the integration here of the wildlife and the plant life, you know, because I just sometimes feel like we can get too human-centric, you know, whether it be obsession with the news, you know, like I can get caught up in the news and, you know, the president or the, you know what I mean? And you can just sort of forget about like all the different species of life on this planet, you know. And of course, I'm a human, and I you know, work with humans and stuff, you know. But I don't like to neglect all the other. We've been really making good connections with some of the wildlife here, actually. Go out now in the morning and the wallabies aren't so scared, you know. Like the fact that one just came up to watch what we were doing, you know.
Trust.
Yeah, there's trust developing, you know.
So in the States, is that where your wife's family are?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you're close to them, yeah?
Close to them.
Yeah.
Her brother and sister both live in St. Louis now.
Yeah.
They moved from LA because LA was just getting too kind of chaotic and expensive, and St. Louis is kind of more mellow than LA. LA's like combining the top 15, the population of the top 15 Australian cities into one. It's like 18 million people, you know, like Sydney's got like 5, or, you know, Melbourne's 4, and then they go down to, you know, 2, or, you know, Brisbane,
What's
you know.
around it? Is there any mountains or?
So around St. Louis, yeah, below St. Louis to the southwest are the Ozark Mountains. And
Yeah, the Ozark.
yeah, the Ozarks, and they're apparently beautiful. I'm planning on going there. I haven't been there yet. And it sits right on the Mississippi River.
Yeah, there was a Netflix series. It was a bit dark, the series.
Oh, the Ozarks, yeah.
Ozarks, yeah.
I saw the shorts for it, but I haven't seen it. But it's a very interesting, I like it. It's very multiracial. You know, you've got kind of African Americans, you got like 30% African Americans, you know, significant, and people from all over the world. A lot of Germans settled St. Louis, and French and Spanish, and, you know. So you got this, it's, and yet it's also kind of very family friendly, you know, so it's kind of like, it's a great, they got so many, like a free zoo, like they got the best botanical gardens probably in the world, the Missouri Botanical Gardens. They got this place called Magic House where the kids love, and so it's just a really good, it's a really nice family.
Is there another network of like families that are homeschooling as well?
Oh yeah, I mean homeschooling's huge in the US because a lot of people are less trusting of the government than they are here, you know. A lot of people are just more like, yeah, people are more religious over there in general, and they kind of want their children brought up according to their faith or whatever. I think the Aussie government's definitely more trying to control people.
Ah! Ah!